sunrise.
It's Monday, May 23rd. I'm Gary Libertor, meteorologist Hannah Evans. Joining us now to help us all plan our Monday ahead, and not a really bad weekend at all that we had.
Yes, it wasn't too bad. We just saw a couple storms move through Saturday afternoon, Sunday afternoon, but otherwise during the day and at nights it was fine.
Yeah.
It was nice and hot outside.
And last night it cooled down though.
Yes, it did cool down after a cold front moved through, so we will only be seeing temperatures today in the 60s. So let's take a look now at the temperatures. We are waking up in the 40s, right near 50 this morning. We will reach the mid 60s today, so much cooler and more comfortable because the humidity has broke as well. We are dry on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar and look to remain dry for most of this week. So this morning, if you are heading out, I would just be careful. There is some patchy fog outside. Much cooler weather today. Once again, we were near 90 this weekend, only going to be in the mid 60s for today. And for this whole week, we will be seeing temperatures just around average. So for today, expect temperatures reaching the mid 60s. We will be seeing more clouds than sun throughout the day, and I will be tracking out the week coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. One of two men found
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We are tracking a lot cooler weather for today and more comfortable with our temperatures in the mid 60s. So let's take a look now at the CAVI tower camera. Can't really see much. We are seeing some patchy fog outside this morning. So if you are traveling anywhere, commuting anywhere, just be careful for areas of low visibility. On the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, tracking dry conditions for today and for most of this week as we will be in high pressure up until Thursday. We are just seeing a little bit extra cloud cover for today. More clouds than sun can be expected, and once again a lot cooler with highs in the mid 60s. But as of right now, we are in the 40s to 50s. We have 48 degrees in Dowdesville, 47 degrees in Little Falls, and 49 degrees in Whitesboro. Looking to the south, we have 48 degrees in Hamilton and 51 degrees in Sherburne this morning. It is going to feel a lot more comfortable today as compared to the weekend. It was very muggy and humid over the weekend, but that cold front that moved through yesterday, bringing some thunderstorms, has dropped the humidity and the temperature. So we will be nice and refreshing for today and tomorrow, remaining comfortable in dew point for Wednesday and Thursday, and then getting a little bit more muggy as we head into the weekend. But those humid conditions that we did see last weekend are kind of behind us as for right now. And we are looking to remain dry for most of this week. So if you did want to spend some time outside, mow your lawn, do any yard work, I would definitely say yes for today, tomorrow, and Wednesday. There is a chance of showers that comes in on Thursday, and showers are likely on Friday. So for today, expect more clouds than sun, a little bit cooler with highs just in the mid 60s. And tonight we will remain mostly cloudy with a low temperature in the upper 40s. Heading into tomorrow, we will be seeing more sunshine tomorrow, getting a little bit warmer. Highs are going to reach right near 70, and then overnight lows tomorrow are going to fall just in the 50s, so a little bit warmer. Heading into Wednesday, we are going to be getting even warmer. Highs are going to be in the mid 70s, but once again, continuing to see mostly cloudy skies for Wednesday. So for today, we will be seeing mostly cloudy skies, a few peaks of sunshine here and there. Highs are going to be in the mid 60s, and tonight we will drop into the upper 40s, remaining mostly cloudy. So we are going to be seeing dry conditions for at least the beginning of this week, getting a little warmer tomorrow and then on Wednesday. A chance of showers comes in on Thursday, and showers are likely on Friday. So far this weekend is looking dry. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. It is week 6 of the News Channel.
We're saying good morning to New Hartford and all of the greater Utica region. We are going to be mostly dry for this week. Not expecting any rain showers today through Wednesday, but there is the chance of a few showers coming in on Thursday. So we are going to be seeing more clouds than sun, though, for most of these days. Today, Wednesday, and Thursday, it does look to be mostly cloudy. And tomorrow, we do look to see a little bit more sunshine than the rest of these days this week. So if you were planning to spend some time outside, because it is going to be dry and a lot cooler and more comfortable, the allergy levels have since dropped down to medium. I know over the weekend they were pretty high, but we are going to be at a medium level up through Wednesday. I'll have a look at your commute forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Water Safari. It is 5:28. It's Monday, May 23rd. I'm Gary Liberatore, meteorologist Hannah Evans, joining us now to help us all plan our Monday ahead. And boy, we had a nice warm weekend, and let's hope things just stay in that trend.
Yes, so we did have a cold front move through yesterday. It did drop the temperature and break the humidity, but as of right now, we do look dry for most of the week, so it looks good.
Oh, good week ahead.
Yes.
All right.
So let's take a look now at our temperatures. We are going to be a lot cooler today than the weekend. We are only going to be seeing high temperatures in the mid-60s, much more comfortable as well since that humidity did break. We are dry on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar and look to remain dry for most of the week up until Thursday. That's when there is a chance of showers that comes into the forecast, but otherwise we will remain dry up until then. We do have some patchy fog this morning, so just be careful if you are commuting anywhere. Much cooler weather today. Once again, highs just in the mid-60s. And for this week, we are looking at around average temperatures with highs kind of in the 70s or right near 70s. So for today, expect highs in the mid-60s. We will be seeing more clouds than sun, but remaining dry. And I will be tracking out the week coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. President Biden.
York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are tracking cooler and more comfortable weather for today with our high temperatures reaching the mid-60s. So let's take a look now at the CAVI tower camera. There is some patchy fog outside this morning, so if you are driving, just be careful heading into areas of low visibility. On the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are dry on our radar this morning. We will remain dry for all of today. And it doesn't look like we are going to be seeing any significant rain until the end of the week. This is all due to us being in high pressure, so high pressure is going to linger over us up until Thursday. We are just going to be seeing a little bit extra cloud cover today, more clouds than sun, allowing for us not really to get to that warm. We will only be seeing highs in the mid-60s. But as of right now, we are mainly in the 40s. We have 48 degrees in Dowdesville, 46 degrees in Little Falls, and 49 degrees in Whitesboro. Looking to the south, we have 48 degrees in Hamilton and 50 degrees in Sherburne this morning. It is also feeling much more comfortable outside because as that cold front moved through yesterday afternoon, it broke the heat and the humidity. So we will be in the refreshing levels for our dew point for today and tomorrow. We will still remain comfortable for Wednesday and Thursday, and then starting to get a little bit muggy as we head into the weekend. But that humidity that we experienced this past weekend is done as of now. So we do have a nice couple of days to head outside, mow your lawn, or get any yard work done. It is going to remain dry up until there is a chance of showers on Thursday. So I would say yes for today, tomorrow, and Wednesday for any yard work if you did want to mow your lawn. So for today, we will be dry, but we will be seeing more clouds than sun. Mostly cloudy skies this afternoon, highs in the mid-60s. Tonight, we will remain mostly cloudy with a low temperature in the upper 40s. The sunshine returns for a little bit tomorrow. It is going to get a little bit warmer as well. Highs are going to be right near 70. And then heading into Wednesday, the clouds make a return for mostly cloudy skies once again on Wednesday, but even warmer with our highs in the mid-70s. But for today, once again, expect more clouds than sun, a little bit cooler and more comfortable. Highs are just going to be in the mid-60s. And tonight, we will remain mostly cloudy with a low in the upper 40s. So we will remain mostly dry for this week. Temperatures remaining just around average. We will be right near 70 tomorrow with some sunshine, and in the mid-70s on Wednesday with mostly cloudy skies once again. A chance for some showers comes in on Thursday, and showers are likely for Friday. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. It is graduation season.
Welcome back. Temperatures will be just around average for this week. Below average for today. We will be seeing highs in the mid-60s, but getting a little bit for tomorrow, highs near 70, and then in the mid to lower 70s for Wednesday and Thursday. We will remain in the 70s for the rest of the week and into the weekend. So if you did want to spend some time outside, I would say yes to all 3 days, meaning today, tomorrow, and Wednesday. I forgot to change these, but yes to spending some time outside. We are going to be dry up until Thursday. That is when the chance of showers comes into the forecast. We are also going to be seeing calm winds up until Thursday, so it is going to feel pretty nice and comfortable outside. On Thursday, we do get a little bit breezy. I'll have a look at your commute forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. The 104th a.m. It's Monday, May 23rd. I'm Gary Libator, meteorologist Hannah Evans, joining us now to help us plan our day ahead. And boy, did it cool off last night.
Yes, so a cold front moved through. We broke the heat, broke the humidity, so we will be a lot cooler today. Highs just in the mid-60s.
And a nice week ahead, though, right?
Yes, we will remain just around average in temperatures in the 70s, and it will be dry for most of the week.
Beautiful.
Yes, so let's take a look now at the temperatures. We are in the 40s, near 50 already here this morning. We will only rise to the mid-60s today, though, so a lot cooler and below average for today. But we are going to remain dry. This is the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. The next chance of some rain doesn't come in until Thursday. So we are seeing some patchy fog here this morning, so just be careful if you are commuting. Cooler weather is expected today. Once again, highs just in the mid-60s and a low dew point, so it is not going to feel humid. And average temperatures will take over for this week. So for today, expect more clouds than sun to come in. Highs are going to be in the mid-60s, and I will be tracking out the week coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. One of two.
Dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We are tracking cooler weather today and much more comfortable with highs reaching the mid-60s. So let's take a look now at the CAVI tower camera. We are still kind of seeing some patchy fog and higher elevations this morning, but otherwise mostly cloudy for today. Our temperatures right now are in the upper 40s. On the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are tracking dry conditions right now across our viewing area, and we do look to remain dry up until the end of the week. This is because we are going to be in high pressure up until Thursday, and we are just going to be seeing a little bit extra cloud cover today, more clouds than sun. So right now, according to our sky watchers, we are in the 40s to 50. We have 42 degrees in Old Forge, 49 degrees in Clinton, and 48 degrees in Westdale. Looking to the south, we have 47 degrees in Cooperstown, Hartwick, Milford, and in Evanston here this morning. Once again, we will reach the mid-60s today, and it is going to feel very refreshing outside. Our dew point values are only in the 40s, so it is going to feel pretty nice for today and tomorrow. Remaining comfortable for Wednesday and Thursday, and getting a little bit muggy for Friday and for the weekend, but definitely not as humid as this past weekend. So if you did want to spend some time outside, maybe do some yard work, mow your lawn or anything, it is going to remain dry up until Thursday. So I would say yes for today, tomorrow, and Wednesday. We are just going to be seeing a little bit extra cloud cover for today and Wednesday with some sunshine coming in tomorrow. So we are going to be seeing more clouds than sun today, especially in the afternoon. Highs are going to reach the mid-60s, but it is not humid anymore, so it is going to feel pretty comfortable outside. Tonight, we will remain mostly cloudy with a low in the upper 40s, and sunshine makes a return for tomorrow, a little bit warmer with highs near 70. Heading into Wednesday, we will be seeing mostly cloudy skies once again throughout the day, but it is going to be even warmer with our highs in the mid-70s. So for today, expect more clouds than sun with calm winds. Highs are going to reach the mid-60s, so it is going to feel a little bit cool outside, definitely compared to the weekend. Tonight, we will remain mostly cloudy with a low in the upper 40s. So for today, once again, mostly cloudy skies. Sunshine returns for a little bit tomorrow, and then the clouds come in once again on Wednesday, but we are going to be getting warmer as the week progresses. A chance of showers comes in on Thursday, and showers are likely on Friday. Back to you, Gary.
A week full of 70s, huh?
Yes, so right around average for this time of year.
Beautiful.
It should be nice.
Yeah. Hannah, thanks. It is week 6 of the news.
We're saying good morning to New Hartford and all of the greater Utica region. This week looks to remain mostly dry. We will be dry for today through Wednesday. A chance of showers comes in on Thursday, and then rain is definitely likely on Friday, but we do look to remain dry for the weekend once again. But for this week, we are going to be seeing more clouds than sun, especially for today, Wednesday, and Thursday. A little bit more sunshine for tomorrow, and temperatures this week will be just around average. But it is going to be dry once again up until Thursday, so if you did want to spend some time outside, a nice couple of days to do that, much more comfortable and not humid. And the allergy count has since gone down since the weekend. We are going to be at a medium level for allergies today through Wednesday. I'll have a look at your commute forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Water Safari, Monday, May 23rd. I'm Gary Libator, meteorologist Hannah Evans, Joining us now to help us all plan our Monday ahead, and so far not too bad out, right?
Yes, we are starting out cool this morning. We'll be pretty cool for today. Highs just in the mid-60s, and then temperatures will be around average for this week.
So the folks that hated that humidity over the weekend will love today.
Yes, today, and then especially this week, we won't be getting more humid like anytime soon, so that's a good thing. Let's take a look now at the temperatures. We are in the upper 40s, right near 50 for this morning. Our high today is only going to be in the mid to upper 60s, so a lot cooler in comparison to the past weekend. We are also dry on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 with Doppler radar, and we are looking to remain dry up until the end of the week. But we are starting out this morning with some patchy fog, so just be careful if you are commuting. Cooler weather is expected today, much more comfortable as well with low humidity. And for this week, once again, our temperatures will remain just around average in the 70s. So for today, expect highs in the mid-60s. We will be seeing more clouds than sun, and I will be tracking out the week coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. President Biden continues.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are tracking much cooler and more comfortable weather for today, with our highs reaching the mid-60s. So let's take a look at our CAVI tower camera. There is still some patchy fog in higher elevations this morning, but otherwise partly sunny skies this morning, and our temperatures are in the upper 40s. On the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are tracking dry conditions for this morning in our viewing area. It is looking to remain dry for most of the week up until Thursday, but we are just seeing a little bit extra cloud cover for today. We are going to be seeing more clouds than sun, and once again, it will reach the mid-60s, but that is below average for this time of year. So according to our sky watchers, we are in the 40s to low 50s this morning. We have 42 degrees in Old Forge, 48 degrees in Westdale, and 50 degrees in New Hartford. Looking to the south, we have 52 degrees in Lawrence and 50 degrees in West Lawrence this morning. It is also going to feel very comfortable outside through Wednesday. Dew point numbers are going to be in the refreshing category, and it is going to get a little bit muggy as we head into the end of the week, and we expect some rain showers to move through Thursday night and into Friday. But if you did want to spend some time outside in the beginning of this week, mow your lawn, do any yard work, I would definitely say yes up until Wednesday. We are going to be mostly dry, and then heading into tomorrow and Wednesday, our temperatures are going to be just around average again. So we are going to be seeing once again more clouds than sun, especially in the afternoon. Highs are going to reach the mid-60s, and tonight we will remain mostly cloudy with a low in the upper 40s. For tomorrow, we are going to be seeing a little bit more sunshine than today, getting a little bit warmer with highs near 70. And then heading into Wednesday, it is going to be getting a little bit warmer, but once again, more clouds than sun expected on Wednesday, highs in the mid-70s. But as for today, we are going to be seeing mostly cloudy skies, especially heading into the afternoon and evening, highs in the mid-60s. And tonight, we will be seeing mostly cloudy skies with a low in the upper 40s. So for this week, we are going to be just around average in temperature. We will reach near 70 tomorrow with some sunshine, in the mid-70s on Wednesday with more clouds, and the chance for some showers comes in on Thursday, especially in the afternoon, and showers linger into Friday. But so far, next weekend is looking pretty nice. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. It is graduation.
Welcome back. We are going to be a little cooler today. Temperatures are going to be in the mid-60s for the high. And then this week, we will be just around average in temperatures. We will be in the lower to mid-70s. So it is going to feel pretty nice outside, not as warm as over the weekend. So if you did want to spend some time outside for the beginning of this week, we will remain dry. So I would say yes for all 3 days. The chance of rain looks to come in on Thursday. We are also going to be seeing calm winds, so it is going to feel once again pretty nice outside. Monday through Wednesday, not much wind, but as we head into Thursday, it does get a little bit breezy. I'll have a look at your day planner coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Giving students the chance to is 7 a.m. It's Monday, May 23rd. I'm Gary Libator, meteorologist Hannah Evans, joining us here on this Monday morning to get the work week going, and it's not going to be a bad work week.
Yes, so we are going to be seeing temperatures just around average this week, a lot less humid and not as hot as we did see over the weekend.
The temperatures 70s pretty much. Yeah.
So it should feel pretty nice.
Good for us.
Yes, so let's take a look now at the bus stop forecast. If you are heading out to the bus stop this morning, temperatures will be in the low 50s with more clouds than sun. Same thing in the afternoon, but we will only reach highs in the mid 60s for today. So highs are only going to be in the mid 60s. We will see more clouds than sun, especially this afternoon, and it will remain mostly cloudy overnight with a low in the upper 40s. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. One of the two men found guilty.
Back here's a live look at our Cavie Tower camera. We are seeing some sunshine this morning, but there is some patchy fog in higher elevations, so just be careful of any low visibility. But today through Wednesday, we are going to be dry for all 3 days. Mostly dry on Thursday, but then the chance of some showers comes in the afternoon, and we are more than likely going to be seeing some rain showers on Friday. But as for today, we are going to be dry, mostly cloudy with highs in the mid 60s, and tonight a low in the mid 40s. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Giving students the chance to...
Welcome back. We are going to be dry for today and much cooler with our highs just in the mid 60s. So let's take a look now at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are tracking dry conditions for today and for most of this week. The chance of rain doesn't come in until Thursday. So much cooler today with our highs in the mid 60s. Low humidity as well, so it is going to feel much more comfortable than over the weekend. And for this week, we are going to be seeing temperatures just around average. For all of this week, with the exception of today, our high temperatures are going to be right near 70 or in the low 70s. So for today, our high is going to be in the mid 60s. We will be seeing more clouds than sun, especially in the afternoon. And I will be tracking out your week a little bit more coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. It is week 6 of the News Channel.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We are tracking much cooler and more comfortable weather for today with highs in the mid 60s. So let's take a look now at the Cavie Tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. We are going to be seeing more clouds than sun for today, but it is going to remain dry. Once again, temperatures in the mid 60s. So let's take a look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are tracking dry conditions across our viewing area, and it is looking to remain dry up until the end of the week, but we are just going to be seeing a little bit extra cloud cover and calm winds for today. But as of right now, according to our sky watchers, we are in the 40s to 50s. We have 42 degrees in Old Forge, 50 degrees in New Hartford, and 49 degrees in Clinton. Looking to the south, we have 52 degrees in Lawrence and 49 degrees in Morris here this morning. It is also going to feel very comfortable and refreshing outside through Wednesday, as we do have low dew point values. But as we head into the weekend, once again, it is going to be getting a little bit more humid and feeling a little bit warmer, but honestly not as warm as it was last weekend. Last weekend it was very, very hot and humid. So that is behind us for at least the next coming days. So if you did want to spend some time outside, maybe do some yard work, mow your lawn, I would definitely say yes through Wednesday. We are going to be dry for today, tomorrow, and Wednesday, and then the chance of showers comes in Thursday later on in the day. But for today, we will be seeing more clouds than sun, especially in the afternoon. Highs are going to reach the mid 60s, so we will be below average for this time of year, but it's still going to feel pretty nice and comfortable outside with low humidity. It will remain mostly cloudy tonight with a low in the mid to upper 40s. And for tomorrow, we will be seeing a little bit more sunshine and a little bit warmer with highs right near 70. Heading into Wednesday, the clouds come in once again for the day. High temperatures are going to reach the lower to mid 70s for the day on Wednesday. But for today, we will be seeing some sunshine this morning. Clouds look to build in for the afternoon and evening. Highs are going to reach the mid 60s, and tonight it will remain mostly cloudy with a low temperature in the mid 40s. So for today, once again, more clouds than sun, a little bit cooler, and it is going to remain not humid as we head into the middle of the week. Highs near 70 for tomorrow with some more sunshine. And then the clouds move back in for Wednesday with a high in the mid-70s. A chance of showers comes in Thursday later on in the day, remaining in the 70s. And rain is likely for the day on Friday. But for next weekend, being Memorial Day weekend, so far so good. We will be seeing temperatures in the 70s with some sunshine.
Monday afternoon. Here is meteorologist Hannah Evans. And Hannah, a really nice day out today.
Yes, it is very nice outside. We are seeing some sunshine, a lot cooler and less humid. Our temperatures right now are in the 60s. So let's take a look at the current temperature measured at the Griffith Park Airport in Rome. We are measuring 62 degrees, a lower dew point of just 44 degrees. So that humidity has broke and that heat is broke as well. Our highs today are only going to be in the mid to upper 60s. We are dry on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar and look to remain dry for most of this week up until Thursday afternoon. So much cooler today than this past weekend. Temperatures in the 60s, low humidity as well, so it is feeling nice and comfortable outside. And for this week, we are going to be dealing with temperatures just around average. Highs are going to be in the 70s. But for today, our highs will reach the mid to upper 60s. We will turn mostly cloudy this afternoon and evening, and I will be tracking out your week coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Turning now to
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back. We are tracking cooler weather with less humidity for today. Highs are only going to reach the mid to upper 60s. So let's take a look now at the Mirabito Tower camera overlooking Oneonta. We are seeing some sunshine here this afternoon, but clouds are going to continue to build up into the afternoon and evening. And once again, our high temperature is only going to reach the mid to upper 60s, which is below average for this time of year. We are dry, though, on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar and are looking to remain dry for most of this week. We are going to be seeing comfortable weather for today through Wednesday with low humidity. We are just going to be seeing a little bit extra cloud cover for all of those days, and it is going to be just around average in temperature for this week with our highs in the 70s with the exception of today. So as of right now, we are still in the 50s to 60s. We have 55 degrees in Big Moose, 58 degrees in Whitesboro, and 63 degrees in Westmoreland. Looking to the south, we have 59 degrees in Hamilton and 60 degrees in Sherburne. So we are going to be below average in temperature today, but still a pretty nice day outside, feeling nice and comfortable. This is because we do have low dew point values for today. It will remain less humid for tomorrow and Wednesday, but as we start to head into the end of the week, Thursday, Friday, it is going to start to get a little bit more humid, kind of feeling a little muggy outside with the chance of some rain coming in. So we will have low humidity for these next 3 days, so there is no chance of precipitation. But as we head into Thursday, we could be seeing a few showers Thursday afternoon and evening, and then showers are likely for the day on Friday. But as of right now, we are remaining dry. We are going to be seeing a little bit of clouds moving in for this afternoon and evening. Highs are going to reach the mid to upper 60s. Overnight will remain mostly cloudy with a low in the mid 40s. And for tomorrow, we will be seeing a little bit more sunshine, kind of like today, with a high right near 70, so a little bit warmer and just around average for this time of year. Heading into Wednesday, it is going to be mostly cloudy throughout the day, even a little bit warmer than tomorrow. Highs are going to be in the lower to mid 70s. But for today, we are looking at highs in the mid to upper 60s. Mostly cloudy skies are going to build in this afternoon and evening. And tonight, we will remain kind of cloudy with a low in the mid 40s. So as we head into tomorrow, it is going to get a little bit warmer. Highs are going to be near 70 with a little bit more sunshine. Mostly cloudy skies come back in on Wednesday with a high in the mid-70s, so even warmer than tomorrow. The chance of showers comes in on Thursday, and showers are likely on Friday. But for Memorial Day weekend, so far, it is looking dry with temperatures in the 70s. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. The first aircraft Ukrainian military is digging in to defend two of the country's major eastern cities. as it endured heavy bombardment from Russia. In this half hour, once again, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans, and once again, it's good news for us.
Yes, we are experiencing a very nice day outside today, a little bit cooler and less humid, with highs only expecting to reach the mid to upper 60s. So as of right now, we are measuring 62 degrees at the Griffith Park Airport in Rome, a dew point value of 44 degrees. So it is way less humid today, feeling very refreshing outside. Feeling a little bit chilly, but overall a very nice day outside. We are dry on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, and will remain dry for most of this week up until Thursday. So cooler weather is expected for today, with our highs just in the mid to upper 60s. Low humidity has come in after that cold front has moved through yesterday. And for this week, we are going to be getting a little bit warmer with average temperatures ahead. We will be seeing high temperatures in the 70s for this week. But for today, we will just be in the mid to upper 60s. We will see an increase of clouds this afternoon and evening, and I will be tracking out your week coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. COVID-19 vaccine.
Most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back. We have a nice, comfortable day in store for today, with highs reaching the mid to upper 60s. So let's take a look now at the Mirabito Tower camera overlooking Oneonta. We are seeing some sunshine this afternoon. We will start to see an increase in clouds heading into the afternoon and evening hours, with cooler weather, highs just in the mid to upper 60s. On the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are tracking dry conditions across all of central New York due to high pressure. For most of the week, we will remain dry, but we will start to see an increase in cloud cover for mostly cloudy skies for this evening and tonight. And it is going to remain pretty cool today, below average in temperature, with highs just in the mid to upper 60s. So as of right now, we are in the 50s to 60s. We have 55 degrees in Big Moose, 62 degrees in Whitesboro, and 64 degrees in Westmoreland. Looking to the south, we have 57 degrees in Hamilton and 59 degrees in Norwich here this afternoon. It is also feeling very, very comfortable outside. We will remain in the refreshing category for dew point, nice and comfortable up until Wednesday. Heading into Thursday, we will start to see an increase in the dew point temperature, with some showers coming in Thursday evening and for Friday. So starting to feel a little bit muggy Thursday evening and on Friday. So we will remain dry up until Wednesday. It does look like a nice next couple of days with cooler weather and less humidity. Then heading into Thursday, we look dry for most of the day, but then a few afternoon and evening showers look to come in, and it looks to be raining more likely for the day on Friday. But for these next couple of days, great 3 days to spend some time outside or get any yard work done. Nice and comfortable today, with highs just in the mid to upper 60s, but we will see an increase in cloud cover heading into this afternoon and evening. It will remain mostly cloudy overnight, with a low in the mid 40s. And for tomorrow, we will be seeing sunshine, especially early on in the morning and afternoon, and a little bit warmer. Highs are going to be right near 70. Heading into Wednesday, the clouds come back. We will be seeing more clouds and sun on Wednesday, but even a little bit warmer, with highs in the mid 70s. So for today, expect mostly cloudy skies to start to come in this afternoon and evening. Highs are going to reach the mid to upper 60s, and tonight we will drop into the mid 40s, and those clouds remain overnight. So we are going to be seeing temperatures just around average for the rest of this week. Sunshine looks to make a return tomorrow, highs near 70. Some clouds come in on Wednesday, but still dry, highs in the mid 70s. And then there is the chance for some showers Thursday evening, and showers are more likely on Friday. Back to you, Gary.
Anna, with today's beautiful weather, the Hinckley Reservoir boat launch.
Here's meteorologist Eric Gage over in the Weather Center. Beautiful day today.
Yes, temperatures in the 60s. Finally, a break in humidity. This last weekend saw humidity close to the temperatures. We saw a lot of thunderstorms, especially in the North Country. A lot bit less in some of our areas. Saw some heavier rainfall yesterday. Taking a look outside right now, though, some beautiful conditions. A little bit overcast right now. Here's a live look at our Cooperstown camera. Also, live look at a Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Things are looking dry across the board right now. As you can see, some increasing clouds over our area. Right now, it's 65 degrees in the Mohawk Valley. Some sunny skies. 65, humidity has lowered to 44 degrees for our dew point, so it's feeling a lot more refreshing. Mild and cloudy this evening, cooling down tonight, temperatures in the 40s. We're tracking some nice spring temperatures ahead. Tonight, though, a low of 45. I'll give you a first look at the Memorial Day weekend coming up. Back over to you.
Eric, thank you. Ideal running weather.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good evening and welcome back. A beautiful day today. Temperatures in the 60s and humidity has been down, but clouds are increasing. So take a look outside across the state of New York right now, our New York State mesonet. We're seeing the sun trying to peek through a lot of areas right now. In the Mohawk Valley, did see some sunshine as well, and some areas still seeing some increasing sunshine as well. But overall, mostly cloudy skies heading into this evening. Live look at our Caveat Tower camera overlooking the Mohawk Valley and Utica. We're seeing peaks of sunshine through an overcast sky that will be increasing throughout the night. Live look at Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Quiet conditions now. The radar is probably going to be seeing some quiet conditions at least until we head into Thursday. Today's featured dog is Kaylee, a farmer dog. It's going into tonight. Temperatures are going to be falling into the 60s and upper 50s as we head into later on this evening. A little bit breezy, however, it's going to make a beautiful day or a beautiful evening to walk the dog. The bigger picture right now, we have a high pressure system kind of influencing our weather right now, bringing some more increasing drier conditions. Still some cloud cover, expecting a clearer conditions as we head into tomorrow afternoon and increasing clouds heading into tomorrow night. There is a cyclone that just formed last night over the Gulf of Mexico, is bringing a lot of increasing rain, tornado warnings across some areas of South Carolina and the Carolinas as well. And thankfully, it's looking to move out to the east, so we're probably going to be clear of this rainfall heading into tonight. We'll keep you updated on the track of that. This just recently came to our the southern part of the United States in the past 24 hours. Heading into tonight, temperatures falling into the 60s, 50s, and then eventually 40s. A pretty chilly night tonight, especially for the early morning tomorrow. Clear start heading into the afternoon. Temperatures in the 60s with a beautiful start, seeing sunny skies. Clouds increasing once again as we head into Tuesday evening into Tuesday night. Temperatures after, heading into Wednesday over in the 60s and then rising into the 70s as we head into Wednesday. Finally, a relief a little bit for allergies. Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, after the cold front moved through, we're seeing just a brief period of lowered allergy reports for oak, birch, and maple. It will increase later on in the week, but for now, expect a little bit of a relief. Let's take a look at our wind outlook. Winds are going to be a little bit calm heading into Tuesday and Wednesday. A little bit more breezy heading to Thursday and Friday. Just a brief period, however, of some breezy conditions heading into early Tuesday morning. And the first look at Memorial Day, we're seeing possibility of some additional rain showers heading into Saturday, but looking ahead, the week looks to be drying heading into Memorial Day on Monday. This evening, 60s, mostly cloudy skies tonight, partly cloudy, to a low of 45, especially early on in the morning. Increasing clouds tomorrow, a high of 70, or 7-day forecast. You can see how Memorial Day is looking a little bit warmer and it's looking dry. That's the case right now. The next rain showers are expecting later into Thursday. Possibility of some thunderstorms on Friday. I'll keep you updated throughout the week. And looking ahead, some warmer temperatures throughout the week, a pretty average time for this temperature for this time of year, so a pretty nice week for May.
All right, sounds good. Thanks, Eric. Monkeypox cases across the world. Meteorologist Eric Gage, and we're talking average temperatures for this month so far.
Yes, well, so far we're getting ahead into more average temperatures, at least for this week, but overall we've actually experienced a really warm month for this time of the year. Take a look at the temperatures so far this month. You see on the 21st, we hit a record on over 20 degrees above average. We were 10 days above average so far today, and the record was 89 degrees set back in 1962, and we beat it on Saturday with a high of 92. Right now at 65, it's much cooler and much less humid in our area right now, and look at the temperatures heading into the week. We're seeing much more average temperatures. Keep in mind the average temperature for this time of year is in the low to mid 70s, so we're looking ahead toward a pretty mild week this week. It'll be a little bit breezy tonight, but temperatures are going to fall into the 40s, and I'll be breaking down what your week will be looking like for temperatures and also for some rain outlook coming up. Back over to you.
All right, Eric, the FDA is investigating a
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good evening and welcome back. A nice, mild, and cool day across central New York today. Increasing clouds. Take a look outside. Our Mirabito camera overlooking Oneonta. It is 63 degrees over in the area right now. I'm seeing some increasing clouds across the area. Let's take a look, though, at Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Quiet conditions across the board right now. We're not looking to see some rainfall, at least for the near future. Scourge temperatures in the upper 50s in the Adirondacks, so looking like a little bit cooler up there. 59 in Old Forge, 58 up in Inlet, 63 however over in Boonville. Heading down into the Mohawk Valley, 66 in Middleville, 65 in Schuyler, 65 in Mohawk, 64 in New Hartford. As we head down to the southern valleys, still similar temperatures in the low to mid 60s, 61 in Evanston, 61 in Cassville, 63 in both Morris and West Lawrence, 63 is Cooperstown as well, with 64 degrees in Milford. Looking ahead is probably the best time of the week to mow your lawn or do any yard work outside. Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday both look dry, as well as tonight. We're keeping an eye on that storm that's to the south of us right now. Keep an eye on that for you as we head into tonight. The bigger picture, we still have a high pressure system bringing us some dry weather right now. Still a little bit cloudy outside, seeing increasing clouds from this movement. This tropical cyclone that just formed is slowly moving up the southeast right now. That just formed about a little less than 24 hours ago and is slowly moving up the coast, bringing some localized flooding and some tornado watches, as well as some tornado warnings as well. Now, thankfully, this is looking to be moving out to the east. This is what our current trends are following right now. We're still keeping an eye on this upper part right here. It's looking to dry out. We have a lot of, the good news about having low humidity, as this will be drier air, will probably cause a lot of this rain to look to move out and dry up before it heads into our area. But we'll keep you posted as we head into the next couple of hours. Skycast temperatures are going to be falling into the 50s and 40s tonight. A nice chilly night tonight. A little bit less humid. Humidity will be rising, however, with those lower temperatures rising into the 60s by tomorrow afternoon. A beautiful start to the morning with clear skies. Heading into the afternoon as well. Temperatures rising into the 70s. Will keep rising as we head into the evening with increasing clouds. However, heading into Wednesday night, temperatures will fall into the 60s and 50s. And once again, taking a look ahead towards Memorial Day weekend. This is Saturday, so the rainfall, heaviest rainfall is expected to be arriving on Friday. Still keeping an eye on the possibility of developing storms as we head into Friday, however. But looking ahead after this, drier conditions for Sunday and Monday with warmer temperatures rising into the 70s. This evening, temperatures in the low 60s, mostly cloudy skies. Tonight, partly cloudy skies as skies are clear early into tomorrow morning. And the increasing clouds we head into tomorrow afternoon, high of 70. Our 7-day forecast looking dry, at least for the beginning of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday both looking dry. We're looking at some possibility of some rain showers heading into Thursday night, and looking ahead for more rain showers on Friday. And still keeping an eye on the possibility of rain on Saturday. We'll keep you updated on that. Warmer temperatures as we head into Memorial Day weekend. Be right back.
Forecast at 6. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage. Good evening, Eric.
Good evening, Jason. A cool but increasingly cloudy evening tonight. As we head into tonight, temperatures are going to cool down into the 50s and 40s. Here's a live look at our Cavvy Tower camera overlooking Mohawk Valley right now. We're seeing some increasing clouds across the region. Live look at Yorkville Battery, Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Things are looking quiet right now and dry. The satellite is showing some increasing clouds. We'll be beginning to see increasing clouds throughout the evening. Right now, it is 64 degrees in the city of Utica and in Rome. Temperature is 64 degrees, and it will be a little bit less humid as we head into tonight and tomorrow. The rest of the week is looking to be a little bit less humid. Mild and cloudy this evening, cool tonight. We're also tracking nice spring temperatures ahead, more mild and average. Tonight, though, a low of 45, partly cloudy skies, and your full week forecast coming up. Back over to you.
Eric, thank you. Wednesday is the day that
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good evening. A mild and dry start to the week this week. Temperatures in the 60s. We'll be cooling down a little bit as we head into tonight. Here's a live look outside. I'm Radbo camera overlooking Oneonta. We're seeing some increasing clouds once again over most of central New York. There's some more on the thinner side, especially in the upper atmosphere, so we'll see some peaks of sunshine across the area as we head into this evening. Live look at Yorkville Battery, Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Things are looking quiet after a busy weekend of rain and some possible thunderstorms, especially in some areas as well. It's looking to remain dry as well. Scourge temperatures up in the 50s in the North Country, 59 in Old Forge, 58 in Inlet, 62 in Forestport, and 63 in Norway. And across the Mohawk Valley, 65 in Mohawk and Schuyler, 64 in Clinton and New Hartford, once in 65 in Barneville. And across Southern Valleys, seeing similar temperatures in the 60s, 63 in Cooperstown, West Lawrence, and Morris, 61 in both Cassville and Evanston, with 64 degrees in Milford. High pressure system to the north right now is going to be keeping our weather clear, at least for the time being, for the next couple of days. We're still keeping an eye on this system, the cyclone that just formed in the last 24 hours down in South Carolina area. It's slowly moving up to the north, bringing some localized flooding and a few tornado watches. But thankfully, it's looking to move out to the east as we head into later on tonight. And so we're just keeping an eye on the possibility of some additional rain showers slowly creeping up into our area. But once again, we do have a lower humidity, so these look to dry out before it heads into our area tonight. Our Skycast temperatures falling into the 40s tonight, a little bit chilly. It'll cool start tomorrow morning. This is around midnight tonight. Tomorrow morning, temperatures in the 40s, rising into the 50s and 60s by the afternoon hours. 12 o'clock in the afternoon, still a beautiful start to the day with sunny skies. Clouds don't move in until later on in the evening. Temperatures still rising into the 70s. Will continue to rise until later on in the evening. We'll start falling back into the 60s by Wednesday morning. Here's our wind outlook so far for this week. We're going to expect to see some calmer winds, especially for Tuesday and Wednesday. Much more breezy conditions we head into Thursday and Friday as a front moves through. But there's still a brief period of some gusty winds early Tuesday morning. That should be weakening as we head throughout the day. And our temperature trend, a very mild week ahead, seeing temperatures in the 70s, in the upper 70s by Wednesday, and still continuing to see just more mild temperatures across the board this week. This evening, temperatures in the 60s, low 60s with mostly cloudy skies. Tonight, a low of 45 with partly cloudy skies, a little bit chilly. Tomorrow, a high of 70 with increasing clouds throughout the evening. Our 7-day forecast, a mild stretch of weather ahead. The first time of rain looks to appear to arrive late Thursday night into Friday. A little bit stronger rain heading into Friday, and still keeping an eye on the possibility of rain heading into Saturday. A drier end of the weekend on Sunday with temperatures in the 70s. Heading into Memorial Day. Over to you, Jason.
All right, Eric, thank you. Still to come on News Channel 2, here's meteorologist Eric Gage. Good evening, Eric.
All night tonight, temperatures falling a little bit into the 40s, still tracking some more clear temperatures, clearer conditions as we head into tomorrow morning. Take a look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We're seeing quiet conditions across the area right now. We're seeing light clouds as well, a little bit higher up in the atmosphere. We're seeing a front move in from the south. Right now it's 56 degrees. It will continue to cool down across the Mohawk Valley and other areas as well, falling into the 40s across the board tonight. Right now, the temperature is in the 50s. Humidity is slowly rising as the temperatures are falling. We're tracking cool temperatures tonight. It will be a nice day tomorrow. Temperatures rising into the 60s and possibly 70s in some area. And also continuing that trend with some nice spring temperatures ahead, remaining in the 70s. Tonight, though, a low of 45 degrees. And have your full forecast coming up. Back to you, Jason.
All right, Eric, thank you. Wednesday is the day then into
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good evening and welcome back. The cloud setup was absolutely perfect this evening to see an absolutely beautiful sunset across the central New York region. Here's one set in from Joe on Facebook. An absolutely beautiful sunset with the orange and pink in the sky. Live look at a radar camera overlooking Oneonta. We are seeing some overcast conditions in some areas, but the clouds are a little bit lighter. Live look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar is showing the same thing. A lot of thinner level clouds in our area. Expect to see some patches of clearing skies around the area. Temperatures tonight are going to be a little bit chilly in the 40s in the Adirondacks and as well in the 40s across most areas. Go down to the Mohawk Valley as well. Temperatures still in the mid 40s. It's not going to fall below freezing anytime soon. Looks like we are out of that area, at least for the next week or so. We're not going to be falling below freezing. The possibility of frost is low. Low temperatures in the southern valleys, once again, the same conditions in the mid 40s. Around the clock tomorrow, temperatures starting out in the 40s, rising into the 50s by 9 a.m., hitting the 60s by noon and the 70s as we head into the afternoon and evening hours by 3 o'clock to 5 o'clock. An absolutely nice day tomorrow. Temperatures are already going to be falling into the 40s once again by the evening hours. But overall, around the clock tomorrow, it's looking like a nice dry day. The bigger picture right now, still a high pressure system that is giving us a clear conditions over our area, at least for the time being right now. That storm system that came from the south, that tropical cyclone that was a very weak one, is still pushing out to the east, so we're not looking to see any of that rain. The dry conditions over our area is keeping the rain out of our area, at least for the time being, because as you can see, the leading edge of this is just south of our area. Looking ahead in our Skycast, we're seeing temperatures falling into the 40s tonight with some thin overcast skies. There will just be lighter clouds. You can still possibly see some stars through those as well. Heading into tomorrow morning and afternoon, an absolutely gorgeous day. We're looking at temperatures starting in the 70s and clear skies throughout the morning. Increasing clouds, however, heading the southern valleys by Tuesday afternoon. and heading to Tuesday night with some increasing clouds. Temperatures in the 70s falling into the 60s. It's probably going to remain that way as we head into Wednesday, with temperatures in the 60s rising into the 70s again. Looking ahead, we are going to be having a few days of just refreshing dew points around our area. We're not going to be seeing any very muggy conditions, at least for the next couple of days. Tonight, a low of 45, partly cloudy skies. Tomorrow, a high of 70. A nice day tomorrow, partly cloudy skies as well. You might want to leave your windows open for your house as you see those temperatures looking to be very mild for our area. 70s across the board throughout the week. Next time of rain is looking to head into our area by Thursday night, heading into Friday afternoon. We'll be right back.
Forecast. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage. Eric, good evening.
Good evening, Jason. A cool and chilly night today. Temperatures falling into the 40s. We're tracking so much more warmer temperatures as we head throughout the week. Let's take a look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Things are looking quiet across the board right now. We're seeing some thin, high-level clouds in the atmosphere make way for some beautiful sunsets. Right now, temperature is at 55 degrees in the 50s across the area, in the 40s as we head north into the North Country. Right now, 55 degrees. Humidity is slowly rising. Those temperatures are falling and will remain cool tonight. A nice day tomorrow. Temperatures rising into the 70s. And those nice spring temperatures are going to continue throughout the week. Temperatures remaining in the 70s throughout the week this week. Tonight, though, a low of 45 degrees. I'll break down your full forecast coming up. Back to you, Jason.
All right, Eric, thank you. Wednesday is the day that Antonio Delgado will resign from Congress and take over as New York State Lieutenant Governor. Congressman Delgado is represented outside
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good evening. Upper level clouds tonight made way for a beautiful sunset across most areas. Here's a beautiful sunset taken by Joe. And once you can see the beautiful yellows and pinks across the board. Live look at a Rapido camera overlooking Oneonta is currently 56 degrees in the City of the Hills right now. Live look at Yorkville Battery, Storm Tracker 2, Doppler radar. Things are looking a little bit moist, especially with those clouds in the atmosphere. The humidity will continue to rise as temperatures fall throughout the night. And heading into tomorrow, the temperatures will rise back up again into the 60s and 70s, so the humidity will drop once again. Tonight's low temperatures across the board, we are remaining in the mid-40s. Mid-40s up in the Adirondacks in the North Country, 45 in Eagle Bay and Inlet. Head across the Mohawk Valley, temperatures in the Utica-Rome region still in the 40s, 46 in Utica, 46 in Frankfort. And once again across Southern Valleys, the same story, 46 in Garrettsville and 46 as well in Oneonta. Around the clock tomorrow, temperatures will start out a little bit chilly in the early morning in the 40s, rise into the 50s by 9 a.m. And with those sunny skies, they'll continue to rise back up into the 60s and 70s for a beautiful evening heading into tomorrow. Wind speeds are a little bit gusty, especially in the late morning between 10 a.m. and 11 a.m. Those wind speeds between 5 to 10 miles per hour. They will weaken throughout the day as we see some increasing cloud cover heading to the evening. But overall, tomorrow is looking like a beautiful spring day. The bigger picture, high pressure is still up above us right now, bringing us the dry conditions across the board right now. Still keeping an eye on that cyclone that has been weakening throughout the evening today, and it's looking like it's still continuing to move out to the east right now. Still looking at the leading edge of this rain. It has missed us by a couple of counties, so keeping an eye on that. It's looking to weaken as it heads out to the east, so looking dry heading into tonight. Our Skycast temperatures falling into the 40s tonight across most areas with increasing clouds as we head into the afternoon tomorrow. But the early morning to afternoon, we'll see a beautiful sunrise as well as a beautiful early afternoon with temperatures in the 60s. Sunny skies, increasing lower level clouds rising into the 70s by the evening hours, and dry conditions tomorrow as we head into Tuesday night into Wednesday, looking like mild temperatures as we have cloud cover. Dew point for the next few days, we're looking to see some relief, refreshing dew points in the 50s and lower. So it'll be the story at least until around Thursday and Friday. Tonight, a low of 45, partly cloudy skies. Tomorrow, partly cloudy with a high of 70. Seeing a beautiful day tomorrow. Our 7-day forecast. 70s across the board as we head throughout the week this week. The first chance of rain looks to arrive heading into Thursday night into Friday afternoon. We're seeing those rain showers, drier conditions we head into Sunday and Monday for Memorial Day weekend. Over to you, Jason.
Eric, thank you. Coming up next, one down